Vision Menu introduces V-Signature. V-Signature is not a mobile menu. It is a one-of-a-kind, industry-changing technology. V-Signature provides a paperless menu, paperless disclosure, and paperless F&I products including service contracts, GAP, and other aftermarket products. This paperless product system will shave 5 minutes off your F&I delivery to enhance customer acceptance and satisfaction. The V-Signature controls are accessed on the F&I Manager's desktop, and the forms are signed remotely on the iPad Pro wireless device. The V-Signature paperless process begins with V-Rate. V-Rate will populate your menu with your provider's rates simultaneously. V-Rate does not use a third-party service to do this. It is a direct-to-provider tool. V-Rate doesn't just populate one or a few rates for each product like most third-party requests. It populates your entire rate card across your menu options. This makes it easy to point and click your way to the desired combinations of product coverages, terms, and deductibles, allowing the finance person the best opportunity to be successful at selling F&I products and, in turn, producing more F&I income. Once your menu is set up, giving you optimal success, the F&I Manager simply requests the menu to be displayed on the iPad Pro wireless device for the customer to view. Since this is the first form the customer is signing electronically for their car deal, the customer will get a written notice on the wireless device that they are about to sign and confirm documents electronically. During the F&I sales process, the Finance Manager may use the remote pointing tool to highlight or underscore different aspects of the menu. If you prefer, you may have a separate mobile device for the buyer and the co-buyer. After the finance person has sold the product options and the customer has made their choice, the finance person can lock the wireless device with a touch or a click, and an image will appear directing the customer where to sign. The technology allows for a legible and legal signature that meets the eSign Act requirements and becomes part of the form that can be printed and stored in the cloud. This remote control technology gives the F&I Manager full control over what is being displayed to the customer. When the customer has selected a package choice, with a click of the mouse, the Finance Manager can display the disclosure for the customer to view and to sign. Now it's time to electronically process the customer's product contracts with each provider through V-Contract. The desired package choice selection displays the enrollment icon for each product sold. The Enroll button is simply clicked for the product being enrolled, sending a message to the provider of the desired contract the customer has purchased. The product is then posted on the provider's website, returning a completed customer product form or application. This process can be repeated for all products that were sold. Now it's time to return to the V-Signature web page to display the product forms, remote point, and signing each of the agreements. V-Signature gives the Finance Manager complete control over the products they have processed with their providers and the forms that are displayed on the iPad for them to sign through the desktop remote process. The customer is able to view a full image of the product contract, so they may effortlessly scroll through the multiple pages, ensuring that compliance requirements have been met. When you have completed the electronic signature process, you may give the customer the option of printing their agreements or simply receiving them immediately by email. These signed forms may also be emailed to an internal dealership department, employee, or any other designated email address. V-Signature can also electronically send a signed form back to the provider. Call us today to find out how you can make your F&I process paperless and take a real 5 minutes off your delivery process. This is not a fad. It's a real time saver and income producer for any F&I sales process.